Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal wall mirror. And so what you're going to need, some silver rhinestone brooches. And this is from Silver Rhinestone Bulk Embellishment Packet. And you'll need these. These are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Also, you'll need some glitter foam paper. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, from Dollar Tree, I have an 8x10 picture frame in silver. If you can't find one in silver, you can paint it silver. I also have one of these square mirrors from Dollar Tree. And then I have some of these little 2-inch round mirrors, and they are from Michaels. I also have some peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. I will be using hot glue on this project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam crystal wall mirror turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You could use this as a wall mirror or as a vanity mirror even. Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.